Hello, my name is Dondi Dahlin. I'm Donna Eden's daughter, and this is your Wednesday Energy Minute. There are acupressure points all over the body which can help strengthen and energize and heal you. And today I'm going to show you 2 points for the lungs. This can help you with a cough, with asthma, the cold, the flu, and even feelings of grief and emptiness. They're super easy to find. You come to the palm side of the wrist. I've marked it for you right below this pudgy part of the hand at the crease. Don't overthink it. Use a couple of fingers so you're sure to be on it. Massage or press. Same with the other side. Massage or press. If it's tender, you probably need it to strengthen your lungs. From the beautiful and historic Hudson River Valley, which is only about an hour and a half from New York City. Until next week. Bye-bye.